We are going to write a sentence. I will say the sentence, and then you can repeat it and write a line for each word. Tom sang a song to the kids. Let's say it again and draw a line for each word. Tom sang a song to the kids. Now you try to write it. Tom sang a song to the kids. I'll say it one more time. Tom sang a song to the kids. I'm going to circle your trick words. Those are words you do not tap out, but are words you just need to know. Tom sang a song to the kids. Let's check your work. Tom. I'm going to say each sound as we write it. T. Tom. The next word has a glued sound and it's sang. S. Ang. Tom sang a, and the next word is song. Tom sang a song. This also has a glued sound. S. Ong. Song. Tom sang a song to the kids. Let's tap out that word. Remember, we're only going to tap out the base word. K. Id. Kid. Kids. Now let's check to make sure we have everything we need. We have a capital at the beginning. Make sure you add punctuation at the end. And make sure you left a space between each word. Let's read it one more time together. Tom sang a song to the kids. You could also scoop your sentence into phrases. Tom sang a song to the kids.